global markets. Here with the financial headlines, brought to you by Snap-Zed Universe.
Hello and welcome to today's financial reports.
JPY USD steadies near 1.0700 as Eurozone inflation ECB's Lagarde and US employment data loom. JPY USD licks its wounds at the lowest levels in 10 weeks, remains sidelined of late. Fresh twist in Fed versus ECB formula amplifies importance of today's Eurozone hic US ADP employment change. Risk catalysts. PMIs should be eyed closely amid a slew of data events scheduled for publishing. GBP USD refreshes weekly high at 1.2450 amid mixed Fed views about interest rate guidance. GBP USD has printed a fresh weekly high at 1.2450 as Fed policymakers are divided over interest rate guidance. The US dollar index DXY is showing some strength after dropping sharply to near 104.13 as the focus shifts to US employment. UK's headline inflation decelerated to 8.7%, finally ditched double-digit territory but remained well above estimates in April. AUD USD extends recovery above 0.6500 on upbeat Caixin manufacturing PMI. AUD USD has pushed its recovery above 0.6500 after better than anticipated Caixin manufacturing PMI. The release of the Caixin manufacturing PMI is widely diverged from China's official manufacturing PMI data. Higher expectations for one more interest rate hike from the Fed could keep the USD index in good shape. USD JPY Price Analysis. Yen recovery stalls above 139.00, bull flag in the spotlight. USD JPY picks up bids to snap 3-day downtrend, stays within bullish chart formation. RSI rebound adds strength to the upside bias, but bearish MACD signals 139.80 hurdle prod yen pair bulls. Multiple supports recently upbeat market sentiment challenge yen buyers.
Today's important news.
Today's markets outlet. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.